Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about Smartsheet. Smartsheet is a cloud-based software application that is often described as a spreadsheet on steroids. But is it really just Excel? Or is there more to it? In this video, I'm going to take a closer look at Smartsheet and see how it compares to Excel. I'll also be discussing some of the advantages and disadvantages of using Smartsheet. So, if you're interested in learning more about Smartsheet, or if you're just curious to see how it compares to Excel, then please stick around. What is Smartsheet? Smartsheet is a cloud-based software application that is used for project management, task management, and workflow automation. It is a very versatile tool that can be used for a variety of purposes, from tracking employee performance to managing complex projects. Smartsheet is similar to Excel in that it uses a spreadsheet-like interface. However, Smartsheet has a number of features that Excel does not, such as workflow automation. Smartsheet allows you to automate tasks and workflows, which can save you a lot of time and effort. Collaboration. Smartsheet is designed for collaboration, so you can easily share your work with others and get feedback. Mobile app. Smartsheet has a mobile app, so you can access your work from anywhere. Integrations. Smartsheet integrates with a number of other applications, such as Salesforce, Jira, and Slack. Advantages of Smartsheet. There are a number of advantages to using Smartsheet, including versatility. Smartsheet is a very versatile tool that can be used for a variety of purposes. Ease of use. Smartsheet is easy to use, even if you're not familiar with spreadsheets. Collaboration. Smartsheet is designed for collaboration, so you can easily share your work with others and get feedback. Mobile app. Smartsheet has a mobile app, so you can access your work from anywhere. Integrations. Smartsheet integrates with a number of other applications, such as Salesforce, Jira, and Slack. Disadvantages of Smartsheet. There are also some disadvantages to using Smartsheet, including cost. Smartsheet is more expensive than Excel. Learning curve. There is a bit of a learning curve to using Smartsheet, especially if you're not familiar with spreadsheets. Limited functionality. Smartsheet is not as powerful as Excel in terms of its spreadsheet functionality. Is Smartsheet just Excel? No, Smartsheet is not just Excel. It is a more powerful and versatile tool that can be used for a variety of purposes. While Smartsheet has some similarities to Excel, it also has a number of unique features that make it a valuable tool for project management, task management, and workflow automation. Should you use Smartsheet? Whether or not you should use Smartsheet depends on your individual needs and budget. If you're looking for a powerful and versatile tool for project management, task management, and workflow automation, then Smartsheet may be a good option for you. However, if you're on a tight budget or if you're only looking for a basic spreadsheet tool, then Excel may be a better option. In conclusion, Smartsheet is a powerful and versatile tool that can be used for a variety of purposes. It is not just Excel, but it does have some similarities to it. Whether or not you should use Smartsheet depends on your individual needs and budget. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below.